Hello everyone, my name is Juan Felipe. Today I am out to introduce my friend. He is nice Carlos Gomez. He is 20 years old. His birthday is on March 10th. He is Colombia. He lives in Neiva, Colombia. He is a university student. In Friday, he like play soccer, listen to music, and watching movies. He enjoys spending time with his friends and family. Every day he'll help and sick clown. In the morning he has breakfast with his family. Then he goes to university. In the afternoon he studies and does his go good. At night he'll archive and goes to well and that clown. Carlos is friendly, responsible, and hardworking. Sell you for attention. Goodbye.